Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri rang ba ka jala Meghalaya Konrad Sangma hinakas ngi ulai Thoh ba ka ni election kabansawan ha Manipur kidan ki Seng san perthai berki kunhon ki bapenan kam na kabor ha ki Katto Katne ki Konstitwensi badde halor kani bakinang jong ki unit ki NPP kila Thoh asya ka election Commission of India ban pentip bad kadeiru ka kamram jongi ban pentip syaka ECI ulai Thoh ba unsa syangkya ya kani knam kandan ka jingjet ya economic kman ka bakhoi ka basuba badlada dan kino ki jing kinkir paru ya ka sarkar pedeng ban petlem ban ajingeda ya ki kirtong ki baha ka jingma.
As I said, based on the letter that has come from the state units out there, we will definitely take up the matter and try to resolve these issues and try to find ways to ensure that free and fair elections take place. And if there are concerns, obviously we'll request Government of India also to resolve those issues and provide proper security to the concerned candidates who are under threat.
So do you think such intimidation will affect your prospects in the Manipur elections?
Difficult to say right now because in all constituencies there are different situations that are there. So one cannot say for sure. And but of course it does create a bit of fear in the people and the workers, which of course will affect. But we're hopeful that the support of the public will still remain. And we're hopeful that, as I said, we will do far better than what we did last time. And we're very confident of crossing the double-digit mark. That there have been certain activities and certain use of force in certain constituencies by certain political parties and certain groups. So based on that, the local unit of the NPP has written to the Election Commission. So yes, there have been such incidents, and it is only appropriate for us to communicate to the ECI, which is what has been done.